Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Today, we're making baked eggplant that's tender, golden, and never soggy. If you've struggled with eggplant that turns oily or limp, this video will show you the simple method that actually works. If you've only had eggplant that's oily, limp, or a little bitter, baked eggplant might surprise you. Baking gives you soft, creamy insides and browned edges, without the mess and heaviness of frying. It's also more forgiving for weeknights, since the oven does most of the work while you prep the rest of dinner. This guide gives you a reliable basic method you can repeat, plus a few flavor options that fit different moods. Eggplant can turn soggy or bitter, but a handful of small steps, the right heat, space on the pan, and smart cutting, fixes most of it. What you need for baked eggplant that turns out tender, not soggy. Great baked eggplant starts at the store. Look for eggplants with glossy skin, a firm feel, and no soft spots. The stem should look fresh, not shriveled. Smaller to medium eggplants often have fewer seeds and a milder taste, which helps if you're sensitive to bitterness. At its simplest, baked eggplant, sometimes written as baked eggplant, needs only a few basics: oil, salt, and pepper. Eggplant's flavor is mild, so seasoning matters. Use enough oil to lightly coat the surface so it browns, but don't pour until it swims. Optional add-ons can take it from plain to where has this been all my life? Without turning it into a complicated recipe. Garlic powder, dried oregano, smoked paprika, and chili flakes all hold up well in the oven. Fresh herbs are best added after baking so they stay bright. For a richer finish, add parmesan. For crunch, use a small amount of breadcrumbs. For saucy dinners, keep marinara warm and spoon it on after the eggplant comes out. Here's the simple science. Eggplant is like a sponge. It holds a lot of water and it also soaks up oil. If the pieces sit too close together, steam gets trapped and the eggplant turns soft and wet instead of browned. High heat and breathing room let moisture escape. Use a large sheet pan, or two, line it with parchment for easy cleanup, and fully preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. A hot pan plus hot air makes a big difference. Do you need to salt eggplant first? When it helps and when you can skip it. Salting can help when you have a larger, older eggplant, or when you want to pull out extra moisture for better browning. It can also reduce bitterness in some cases. A quick method. Slice the eggplant, sprinkle both sides with salt, and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. You'll see beads of moisture. Pat the pieces dry with a towel, then season again lightly, since you already added salt and oil as usual. Many modern eggplants are less bitter than they used to be. If you're cooking on a tight schedule, you can often skip salting as long as you bake hot and don't crowd the pan. It's how you get perfectly baked eggplant every time. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll add easy flavor variations and topping ideas to turn this into a full meal. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.